Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix TikTok app can't open. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did myself was that I firstly closed my TikTok app and instead I opened up my settings app on my phone. So I went into my settings app and as you can see you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. In here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general as you can see. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down again and I click on storage in here as you can see. So I scrolled down and I clicked on storage, and in here we're just going to wait for this page to load. It might take you a couple of seconds just so you know. And when it's done, we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. It's going to turn blue when all of these things right here are done basically. So I hope it makes sense. So we're just going to wait, and as you can see it's now blue in the top right corner, so click on the search symbol that is blue, and as you can see we should now be taken here, which is perfect. Search for TikTok in here, click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here, and just wait a couple of seconds. And then click on the blue button here once again. So basically now as you can see we need to actually be able to get the newest update for the TikTok app. And I did, by the way, by doing this you will be actually getting the newest update for your TikTok app. You will force your TikTok app to correctly update to the newest version. So just wait for it to now load as you can see, then go back and hopefully this will now fix this problem for you as it did for me.